is taking too much time and connecting not working properly, then you can resolve this issue by connecting it to a proxy. Let me show you how you can connect to a proxy in an easy steps. Just Google socks 5 hide IP and click on the first link. Then clear the captcha. Now it shows the list of IP ports. Now click on your country. If your country is not listed, you can choose the nearby country. It's also showing the speed of every IP port. We will select the first with good speed and click on the Telegram icon. Click connect proxy. And the proxy is connected. Now it will work fine.